Car dash cams with GPS and Wi-Fi provide real-time tracking, evidence recording, accident proof, and easy video sharing for safety. Today's video is about top 5 best car dash cams with GPS and Wi-Fi that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AZDOME Dual Dashboard Camera for car. AZDOME M01 Pro Dual Dash Cam delivers reliable all-around driving protection with its dual front and rear recording system. The front camera captures full HD 1080p video, while the rear records in 720p, ensuring clear evidence from both directions. With a 150 degrees wide-angle front lens and 120 degrees rear lens, it covers multiple lanes and reduces blind spots effectively. Safety is enhanced through ADAS features, including lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, helping drivers respond quickly to road risks. The fatigue driving reminder is a useful addition for long-distance travelers, encouraging safer driving habits. It also comes with a free 64GB SD card, and formatting before first use ensures smooth operation. Night driving is supported by Super Night Vision with WDR technology, producing clearer footage in low light. Loop recording automatically manages storage, while the G-sensor protects important files from being overwritten. Overall, it is a practical dash cam for everyday safety. Now our second product is Galphi Dash Camera for cars. The Galphi 4K UHD Dash Cam delivers exceptional driving protection with ultra-clear 2160p resolution and a 160 degrees wide-angle lens, capturing every detail of the road in cinematic quality. It is especially useful for family cars, new drivers, and rideshare drivers, providing strong video evidence for accidents and insurance claims. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi with a dedicated app ensures fast and smooth file transfers, reaching speeds up to 8 MB per second for quick access to recordings. Its screen-free design reduces driver distraction, allowing full focus on the road while still ensuring continuous recording. The compact body makes installation simple and unobtrusive, ideal for all vehicle types. Parking safety is enhanced with 24-hour parking mode, requires hardwire kit, while loop recording and a G-sensor protect important footage from being overwritten. Night driving is also well covered with f/1.6 aperture, WDR, and Super Night Vision for clear low-light performance. A pre-installed 64GB card adds extra convenience, making it a complete and reliable dash cam solution. Our third product is Terunsoui Channel Dash Cam Front and Rear. This advanced 3-channel dash cam offers complete vehicle protection with UHD 4K front and rear recording plus 1080p cabin coverage, ensuring nothing inside or outside the car goes unseen. With ultra-wide angles of 170 degrees front and 150 degrees for both cabin and rear, it delivers near 360 degrees surveillance, making it ideal for family trips, rideshare drivers, and security-focused users. The included 128GB microSD card allows immediate use, while loop recording ensures continuous footage by overwriting old files. A built-in G-sensor automatically locks critical recordings during collisions for safety evidence. Night performance is excellent thanks to WDR, large apertures, and infrared cabin lights that capture clear details even in total darkness. The dual-band Wi-Fi 6 with the Terunsoui app enables fast video transfer up to 20 MB per second and easy device control via smartphone. Built-in GPS adds real-time speed, route tracking, and timestamps, strengthening video evidence. Overall, it is a powerful, feature-rich dash cam for full driving security. Now number 4, IIWEY Night Vision Channel Dash Cam. The N5 Pro Dash Cam delivers powerful all-around protection with true 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p coverage on the remaining 3 channels, ensuring sharp and detailed footage from every angle. With optional 2K plus 1080p 3 users can choose between higher clarity or longer recording time. Its 170 degrees ultra-wide front and rear lenses combined with 150 degrees side cameras provide full 360 degrees panoramic coverage, significantly reducing blind spots for safer driving. Equipped with next-gen Wi-Fi 6 and dual-band 5 GHz per 2.4 GHz support, video transfer is fast and stable, reaching up to 10 MB per second via the IIWEY app for easy smartphone control. Built-in GPS records speed, routes, and location data, which can be reviewed on mobile or PC for accurate driving evidence. Night performance is strong with f1.8 lenses, IR lights, and automatic low-light switching for clear footage in darkness. Loop recording with a free 128GB card ensures uninterrupted storage, while the G sensor and parking mode add 24/7 security. A supercapacitor enhances durability in extreme temperatures, making it highly reliable year-round. And our last choice is Pruveeo dash camera for cars. This 360-degree dash cam system provides complete vehicle protection with 4 full HD 1080p cameras capturing the front, rear, left, and right sides simultaneously. It ensures no blind spots, making it ideal for everyday driving, long trips, and high-traffic environments. The adjustable front and side lenses allow users to fine-tune viewing angles for better detail coverage, including partial interior recording when needed. Time-lapse recording helps save storage by compressing long hours of footage, while the parking mode offers continuous surveillance when the vehicle is stationary, ACC hardwire kit required. Built-in GPS adds extra reliability by tracking real-time speed, route, and location, which is highly useful for accident verification and insurance claims. With integrated Wi-Fi, videos can be quickly accessed, downloaded, and shared directly to smartphones on both iOS and Android. Night driving is well supported with an f1.8 lens and infrared lights, delivering clear footage in low-light conditions. Loop recording with collision lock ensures important clips are never lost. Easy installation and a battery-free design improve safety and long-term durability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.